all on my lane, you all on my lane. You ain't overlooked, so get out the way. I gave you the book, I gave you the game. The boy gotta cook, the boy got a flame, Serving in the kitchen like you need no. Plenty pitching, whipping different flavors like a bistro. Kicking, dipping, flipping, keep it hunting like a C note. Switching, keep it pimping every single place that he go. I got it. Lathan got the flame, Lathan got the flame. Boy, you know the name, get up out the way. Lathan got the flame, Lathan got the flame. Stay up out the kitchen if you ain't the one that's whipping, huh? Hey, yo, Lathan, man, cook them boys up something real quick, man.
What's going on, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. Now today we got our herbal infusion recipe going out, but instead of calling it herbal infusion today, I'm gonna just call it fruit tea, just to prevent from being tongue twisted. So you see us getting our fruits prepped up, and you don't need many fruit, but here's the thing, this here is strictly a guideline. This is not a recipe, because you might like your fruit tea a tad bit sweeter, you might like it a tad bit bitter. So pretty much for the fruit, just do your own thing. But for me, you see all my fruit I got laid out here. I did like 1/4 and a half of each, or half of each, and I got a couple blackberries. So you see we got the apple, the blackberry, the kiwi, the pineapple, the orange, and the lemon. So we're gonna go ahead and get our heat warmer set up. Now you can steep this over the stove, but for this video I want it to be extra fancy, so you see what I got there. I got a cast iron tea warmer with a couple of tea light candles, and this here just gives you the perfect brew, because these tea candles do not get that hot, but they get hot enough to extract that deliciousness out of all that fruit. So you can use that, you can negate it, it's up to you. But here you go, you see my beautiful tea kettle there. Same deal, I just got it for the video purposes, but you could do this in a cup and just strain it out. It's pretty much up to you. Now, how you layer your fruit is pretty much up to you as well. You see I put the smaller pieces at the bottom just so they won't come out my sprout, because I don't have a filter blocking the insides from the sprout, so the smaller particles will come up to the sprout. But as you see the sprout, it gets smaller going up, but I just didn't want it to clog it up, so that's why I put the citrus at the bottom. And I filled it up with some water. Make sure that water is not boiling. You don't want that water to boil, you want that water to just be heated through. All right, and so then we're gonna sit it on our diffuser or our heat warmer. Now to deal with this, you can steep it as long as you want. I steeped mine for about 2 hours, and that was perfect. And as I poured glasses or shots, I just kept it on that warmer, so actually it steeped for about maybe 3 hours, because we finished it about an hour later. So this is the perfect fruit tea. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. I'm out.